2024. We're all in our saving money era. I want to show you that there's no need to go spend an arm and a leg at a salon to do your nails when it's so easy and affordable to do at home, and the results are just as amazing and beautiful as they would be when you're walking out of a salon. Not to mention how affordable it is. You just buy a few things from Amazon, build up a basic kit that you can reuse over and over and over and over and over again. I use the hard gel, or some call it the builder gel method. It basically looks like nail polish, but once you cure it, it acts like acrylic. It has no odor. It's so much healthier for your nail, and it's so durable and strong. Your nails will never break or chip off. It's literally the best nail method out there nowadays. Every salon uses it, but it's so expensive. Okay, enough rambling. Let me show you how I got these beautiful floral nails. I always start off with a clean base. My nails are essentially trimmed and filed. All of the excess skin, cuticles are also cleaned and cut off. Then I wash my hands and I'm ready. Your final result will depend on how nice and clean your base starts off with. Since we're going to be working with a UV lamp, I always like to use these UV protection gloves just to keep my hands safe. As you can see, I have no length on my nails, so we are going to be creating a nail extension. I use these nail form stickers. They are so easy and self-explanatory to apply. You place your finger inside the sticker hole and then you pinch down at the bottom, and that's basically it. So I do the same thing to every single one of my nails. Once I'm done with that, we start off with the base. I'm going to apply this base coat onto every single one of my nails, bring the base up onto that sticker to create more length, and then cure it for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to layer it with builder gel. I'm precisely going to apply this nude hard gel color onto every single one of my nails, bringing it up onto that sticker, keeping that length into consideration. This hard gel is self-leveling, so you're not going to get any bumps. Whenever I apply hard gel, I cure as I go. So I'll apply hard gel on one fingernail, partially cure it for 5 seconds, then apply it on another fingernail, partially cure for 5 seconds again, so on and so forth. That partial cure stops the hard gel from moving around and making a giant mess. I always do one last cure for 90 seconds to make sure everything is fully hardened up. Then I remove the stickers. They just detach effortlessly. Then I'm going to take some rubbing alcohol on a cotton pad and remove that sticky residue off of every single nail. Now we can finally file them down and shape them. I've really been into this medium almond shape, and that's what I'm going to do for this look. I'm basically filing down the edges, buffing the top, creating that smooth round shape. Once I got my desired look on every single nail, I'm going to take a brush and just brush off any excess. Now comes my favorite part. Let's build these babies up. I'm going to be using these floral stickers. I really love that this sticker set came with so many different sticker options, but it also came with this tweezer that's so helpful to pick up the stickers and place them onto your nail. And I'm just basically going with the flow, making up my own designs. Like, I'm not really too adamant about a specific look that I'm going for. I'm just adding stickers onto my nails, being sloppy, being childish, okay? Once I'm done applying stickers onto every single one of my nails, I'm going to actually cure my nails now for 30 seconds. Now I'm going to apply one last layer of hard gel, and this time I'm just going to apply the clear to allow the stickers to show through. So just like we did before, we are going to precisely apply a good layer of clear hard gel onto every single one of my fingernails. As I mentioned, this hard gel is self-leveling, so even though the stickers have texture on them, the hard gel will smooth everything out and make the sticker underneath give off kind of a 3D effect. Once you're done with your last nail, you cure all of them together for 90 seconds. And once they're fully cured, as you can see, they look so good already. But we're going to finish it off with some top coat. This will just seal everything in and keep them looking and staying durable and shiny. And do a last cure for 60 seconds. And that's it. The nails are complete. Now we're just going to add a little bit of cuticle oil all over to finish it off. This just moisturizes everything and makes it look super clean. No crusty, dusty looking edges or anything like that. Absolutely love the way these nails turned out. They're not going to chip. They're not going to break. They're not coming off unless you want them to. I hope you enjoyed another nail therapy video. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for taking some time out of your day to spend it here with me, and I cannot wait to see you in my next video. Bye!